Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sandeep Gaute. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Guru for All. Dear students, in this video lesson, I am going to discuss the curriculum of the subject Compulsory English. This is of the branch BCom and class is first year and semester, or you can say term also, that is a fourth semester. This is for academic year 2020-2021 and university is SPPU, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University. Already I introduced myself, so you need to understand my designation here also. I am an assistant professor of English and I am working with JSUCS Pune, that is Jayawantrao Sawant College of Commerce and Science Pune. Now let us start with the curriculum of this particular subject. This is very important. Dear students, you need to understand entire curriculum of this subject. I am talking about only term 1. So you need to focus on this one. So syllabus for term 2 is different and I am going to even upload this separate video on that particular syllabus or curriculum. Now let us start with what is the syllabus, or you can say even curriculum of semester 1. Now, what are the aims and objectives of this particular session? Now, what are the aims and objectives? So, at the end of this particular session, what will you understand or what are we going to do in this particular session? So, I am going to discuss the curriculum of the subject English of FY BCom, that is of Savitribai Phule Pune University. You need to understand this part first. I am using the word curriculum as well as a syllabus. Actually, there is a little bit difference. Syllabus is the part of curriculum and curriculum includes syllabus as well as evaluation pattern. That is why I am using this word over here, curriculum. Now, what is the second aim here? That is to point out the significant aspects of the curriculum. What are the different and the most important aspects of curriculum? Whenever you are going to study particular subject or particular you can say branch, it may be BCom, it may be BSc, it may be BA, it may be any branch. Here you need to understand what is the curriculum first and then you have to start your study. Now, what is the third one? To study the syllabus of the subject English. Now, I used what word is over here, that is the syllabus, and here curriculum. Already I told you that syllabus is the part of curriculum. Now, these are the three aims and objectives of this video lesson. Now, the most important part, you need to understand each and every aspect here. So everything will be clear, so you can understand what to study, what is the pattern of your, what is the pattern that university has prescribed for you. That is the most important. That is why you need to understand each and every point is very important. Please listen to me carefully. If you have any doubts, any problems, you can put your comment in the comment box also. Now, we are talking about what? BCom first year, which is the university, Savitribai Phule Pune University. There is the semester pattern. You need to understand. There are total 2 semesters in 1 year. So, in 1 year, it means in first year, you are going to have 2 semesters. That is why initially I mentioned that we are going to discuss the syllabus of semester 1, or you can say term 1 also. What is the pattern there? University SPPU, that has introduced this one, CBCS. What is that? Choice based credit system, and there is a 70-30 pattern. I am going to explain what is this 70-30 pattern also. What is 70? 70 means 70 marks. University is going to conduct that examination and 30 marks internal evaluation. That is why it is called 70-30 pattern. I am going to explain that one in detail further. Now, 3 credit course. This subject is called what? Course, compulsory English. So this is of 3 credit. What does it mean? 1 credit is equal to 15 hours. It means 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 45 lectures. It means in semester first, I am going to conduct total 45 sessions or 45 lectures. And here you need to understand, this is very important part, and there will be also internal evaluation. So what I discussed till now, there are 2 semesters in 1 year. So in first year you are going to have how many semesters? 2 semesters. So 3 years, how many semesters will be there? There will be total 6 semesters. Which is the pattern over there? That is CBCS, that is choice based credit system. 70-30 pattern is there. And this course has total, or this course carries a 3 credit course, and 1 credit is equal to 15 hours. It means 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 45 hours. So we have to, it means I have to conduct 45 lectures and I have to complete the syllabus of compulsory English. I am talking about semester 1 only, and there will be internal evaluation. Already I told you about this one. Hope everything is clear here. Whatever is on the screen right now, it is clear. Next one, what is the most important part? Now, university has prescribed a textbook for FY BCom, and the title of the book is Success Avenue. I have the book over here also, so you can see this one. Hope this is visible, that is Success Avenue. So this is the book that is prescribed by SPPU for FY BCom, and Board of Editors and Orient Black Swan is what? This is the publication. So you need to understand there is a textbook that is prescribed by the university, and the title of the book is Success Avenue. Already I showed you the front page of this particular book, so you can understand this one easily. Now hope it is a little bit part is clear over here about your subject compulsory English. Now term 1, already I told you semester 1 and term 1 both are same. Now there will be prose section. Now here you need to understand, under each section there are certain topics, and we are going to discuss which are these topics. Now prose, for this is the first section, and how many units are there total? There are total 4 units. You can understand this yellow color indicates what? Unit number. That is unit number 1. What is the title? The Beggar. And who is the author? Anton Chekhov. So this is the story we are going to discuss, and this is called unit number 1. Unit number 2 is Black Money and the Black Economy, and who is the author? C. Ram Manohar Reddy. This is an essay. Unit number 3 is The Nightingale and the Rose, and this is also a story written by Oscar Wilde. And unit number 4 is Muhammad Yunus and Economics for Peace, written by Farida Khan. Dear students, we are discussing the syllabus of semester 1 FY BCom of the university SPPU. You need to understand this one. There is the first section. What is the first section? That is the prose section. Under this there are total, how many units are there? There are total 4 units. Unit number 1, The Beggar. This is a story written by Anton Chekhov. Unit number 2, what is that? Black Money and the Black Economy, written by C. Ram Manohar Reddy. Unit number 3, what is the title? The Nightingale and the Rose, written by Oscar Wilde. And what is the unit number 4? That is Muhammad Yunus and Economics for Peace, written by Farida Khan. So there are total 4 lessons, you can say. So there are total 4 units under prose section. Hope it is clear. Now we are going to see what is the next section. Definitely, what is that? Poetry. And in this section we are going to discuss 2 poems. That is, already I mentioned 4 units under prose section. Now under poetry section there are 2 units. Unit number 5. What is unit number 5? That is Uphill, and this is a poem written by Christina Rossetti. So here you need to understand, under poetry section we are going to discuss 2 poems. What is the unit? What is unit number 5? What is the title of the poem? Uphill. And who is the author? Christina Rossetti. So she is the poetess. And unit number 7, unit number 6, not 7, unit number 6 is Stay Calm, written by Grenville Glaser. So already we discussed section prose, means prose section contains 4 lessons, and under poetry section there are total 2 poems, which is the first poem, that is Uphill, written by Christina Rossetti, and which is the second poem, that is Stay Calm, written by Grenville Classer. So we discussed two sections. Now the next section. Next section is communication and life skills. This is very important part. Now what is this one? Communication and life skills. So under this particular section, there are again total 3 units, and unit number 7 is, already I told that in prose section there are 4 units, in poetry section there are 2 units, and in communication and life skills, so continually you can count this one, unit number 7. So what is there? Title is meeting and greeting people. Meeting and greeting people and dialogue writing. You need to understand this syllabus properly, then and then you can understand what to study and how to study. So syllabus is very, you can say what, that is not vast one, this is very simple one and easily you can understand. Now unit number 8. What is unit number 8? That is a group discussion and interview and interviewing skills. So these are very important topics because they are going to help you, because they will be useful for you whenever you are going to appear for the interview. Group discussion is very important also, and we are going to discuss that one in detail. And unit number 9 is presentation skills. So dear students, there are total of 3 sections in compulsory English. Section number 1 is prose section. Under prose section there are total 4 units. Section number 2 is poetry. How many poems are there? There are 2 poems. And what is the third section? That is communication and life skills. And how many units are there? Again, there are 3 units. So you need to understand syllabus of semester 1 of FY BCom of SPPU, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University. I am talking about academic year 2020-2021. And there are total 3 sections and total units are 9. So hope it is clear for you. Fine. Now we are going to discuss evaluation pattern. So this is very important. Okay, if you know the syllabus, now you need to understand what is the evaluation pattern. So what is evaluation pattern? So initially I mentioned that there are you can say what, 2 parts, and there is what, 70-30 pattern. So 30 marks means what? 70-30 means what? 70 marks are in the hands of university, you can say. So here internal examination will be of 30 marks. So written test on prescribed test will be there. Even some more parts will be there for 30 marks. Then semester end examination we are going to discuss. Okay, there is a little bit, let me change this one. 1 second. Okay, because what is the problem there? You need to understand here 30 marks must be there, and here must be 70 marks. And this one is, there is a little bit, don't worry, this part, and this part should be internal marks. Okay, now this is clear. So we are talking about evaluation pattern. Do not get confused over here. Now semester end examination will be of 70 marks. It means university will conduct, the university will what? University will conduct the written test of 70 marks. Question paper will be of 70 marks. And whatever syllabus I told you, that syllabus will be considered while conducting this particular examination, that is called semester end examination. Now what is the second part of 70-30? That is internal examination. What is internal examination? That is of 30 marks. So here you need to understand, and for this this particular part we are going to conduct what? A project, group discussion, tutorial, home assignment, seminar, participation in a classroom activity also. So any 3 will be considered from this list. for internal examination. So here you need to understand, do not get confused. Evaluation pattern, 70-30 pattern is there. 70 marks semester end examination, 30 marks internal examination, and some points are given over here by the university. So we have to consider these parts over there, and any 3 parts will be considered while doing any kind of internal evaluation. Hope this is clear for everyone. Now we are going to discuss what is this one. Let me one second, let me toggle. Fine. So this is now what is given there. This is the question paper pattern. C, university question paper pattern, semester end examination, that is question paper pattern. Semester 1 examination will be of 70 marks and time will be of 3 clock hours. Okay, so there will be total 4 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. Now already I discussed the syllabus of your semester 1 of FY BCom of SPPU, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University. Deliberately I am mentioning again and again. So this particular video is for the students of FY BCom of SPPU. So question number 1 will be asked, that is of attempt any 3 out of 5. So 5 questions will be asked and the students need to solve any 3, and this question will be of 15 marks, and questions will be based on prose section, unit number 1, unit number 2 and unit number 3. And question number 2 will be attempt any 3 out of 5. Again 5 questions will be asked and the students have to solve only 3. Again it carries 15 marks, and questions, 2 questions will be based on prose unit number 4 and 3 questions will be based on poetry section, that is unit number 5 and unit number 6. Dear students, you need to understand this one. This is very simple, that 4 questions will be asked and you need to understand on which part particularly the questions will be asked. That is what question number 3, attempt any 2 out of 4. This is for 20 marks, and 2 questions on meeting and greeting people and dialogue writing, and 2 questions will be on a group discussion. So this is related to section number 3, that is communication and life skills, and question number 4 is attempt any 4 out of 6. So yes, 6 questions will be asked and the students have to solve any 4, and this question will be for 20 marks, and 3 questions on interview and interview skills, and 3 questions on presentation skills. So dear students, here you need to understand the syllabus properly, then and then you can understand this question paper pattern. So in this video lesson, what we discussed? So we discussed curriculum of the subject compulsory English of FY BCom and semester 1 of which university? That is SPPU, Savitribai Phule Pune University. Then we discuss what we discussed. There are total 3 sections. First section is of prose section. There are total 4 units. Section number 2 is poetry. There are total 2 poems. And section number 3 is communication and life skills. There are total 3 units. It means there are total, you can say what? By adding prose, poetry and communication and life skills, there are total 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total 9 units. Hope everything is clear over here. And what we discussed again, semester end examination. This is called evaluation pattern. Now, thank you for everything. Thank you for attending the session. Please subscribe, like and share this channel to your friends also, those who are doing BCom and they are the students of FY BCom. Dear students, I also request you to press bell icon so you can get the notifications well in advance. If you have any doubts, any problems, you can put that one in the comment box, and even if you want to message me personally, you have my number and that is also available on my YouTube channel. Thank you for attending the session. Thanks a lot.